The most passive way to make money using AI is to not use it at all. Sam Altman is the CEO of OpenAI, and he once said, make a product so good that everybody tells each other about it. And boy, did he mean it. With the recent unveiling of Sora, everybody is sharing the videos about it, and it's pretty impressive. And when ChatGPT came out last year, it was undeniable how impactful it was going to be that everybody started talking about it. But as of today, the corporate structure of OpenAI does not allow it to go public, so you can't buy stocks in it. And boy, do I want to. Can you imagine how rich you would be if you had bought stocks in Apple the year they unveiled the iPhone? But here's a little workaround. You see all of this? This is the technology required for AI learning. Without these, there is no ChatGPT, there is no Sora, and there is one company that's publicly traded that makes all of them. So if you want to make truly passive income off of AI, you're not going to use any of the technology, you're not going to build a funnel, you're not going to make content, you're not going to do anything, you're not going to build a business, you're not going to do copywriting, you're not going to use it to do anything. You're just going to buy this stock and watch it grow. Well, at least that's what I'm doing.